We are the SMiLies group, from Politecnico of Turin. Our research spans several topics in dependable computing, and one of our core areas is neuromorphic computing. The study of brain-inspired hardware and algorithms for efficient artificial intelligence. Deploying AI directly on embedded devices is becoming essential in fields like autonomous vehicles, industrial automation, and healthcare. These applications demand real-time responses, low power consumption, and local data processing for privacy. The problem is that traditional artificial neural networks are simply too resource-hungry for constrained hardware. This is where spiking neural networks come in, a biologically inspired model where computation is sparse and event-driven, making them naturally efficient and hardware-friendly. Spiker Plus is our framework to bridge the gap between software and silicon. It provides a configurable multi-layer spiking neural network architecture, with a library of neuron models that can be customized to fit different hardware targets. The key idea is simplicity. A full FPGA accelerator can be generated with just a few lines of Python code. Spiker Plus supports quantization of both membrane potential and synaptic weights, letting you tune the trade-off between accuracy and power consumption. We validated the framework on 3 benchmarks: MIST, the spiking Heidelberg digits, and Audio MIST, covering both visual and audio classification tasks. Spiker Plus is fully open source and publicly available on GitHub. You can find it, explore it, and use it right now. The repository is organized to make it easy to get started. You'll find a set of tutorials that walk you through the main features of the framework, from defining your network to generating the hardware accelerator. Installation is straightforward. Spiker Plus is available on PyPI, so a simple pip install Spiker Plus is all you need to get started, or you can install it using the Conda environment embedded in the GitHub repo. If you want to dive deeper, the framework is described in our paper published in IEEE Transactions on Emerging Topics in Computing. You'll find the full reference and the link directly in the repository. The first step to work with Spiker Plus is to clone the repository. Once inside the repository, setting up the environment is straightforward. We use Conda to create a dedicated environment and install all the dependencies with a single pip command. Spiker Plus uses snnTorch as its training backbone. Before launching the pipeline, you can configure the network directly in the script. Architectural choices and quantization configuration are all exposed as simple Python parameters. The whole setup is designed to be user-friendly and fast to prototype. From defining your network to getting the quantization results, everything runs with minimal code and no boilerplate. Now let's see the framework in action. With a single command, we launch the full training pipeline on the MIST dataset. Once training is complete, the framework moves directly into the quantization phase. Spiker Plus integrates post-training quantization techniques. It systematically evaluates all the bit width configurations specified in the Python script. As you can see, the results are reported for each configuration. Then you can choose the configuration that best fit for your needs and the VHDL code is generated. What you've just seen are 3 independent but fully composable steps: network definition, training, quantization, and hardware generation. Also, if you already have a pre-trained network, you can skip directly to the hardware generation step. Spiker Plus takes your existing model and produces the VHDL code ready for synthesis, without any retraining needed. That's Spiker Plus. Thanks for watching, and if you want to try it yourself, everything is open source and available on GitHub.